And nobody's run a fast car there for a long time, obviously. Queensland Raceway, a bit of a sit-up. But it's been going all right. He had that, and then he run the Eastern Creek last weekend, and got up this morning and stopped fire up, so he got no oil pressure. So that's the end of that. Take her home to Queensland. So we got his money. He's gone. Away, yeah, that's it. Didn't even make this morning's practice, let alone the race tomorrow. Yeah, just practiced today, yeah. And then all day tomorrow. And they've got to have 4 runs for New South Wales title, so they must have 4 runs. It's not compulsory today, so just whoever's here. A lot of them come camp and then race tomorrow, but there's a lot not practice today. None of the state competitors have ever used this track, so they'll all be track records and